It's a great pleasure for me to welcome you all, and I really am excited to hear from our guests today, talking to us in the space of smarter cities. To start off is, if you want to ask a question, please may I ask that you use the Zoom Q&A function, which is available as per the arrow, and that you raise all your questions during the webinar accordingly. I will, at the end of the webinar, request our presenters to respond to those particular questions. You will not be able to ask anything in between or to raise your hand. So if you can please share all your questions in the Q&A for me, it will be much appreciated. So what are the IPMA special interest groups? The IPMA special interest groups are an exploration of an area that benefits our careers, our work, as well as the planet. The special interest group members strive to advance the industry, to create new standards, network with industry leaders and peers, and find opportunities to growth. We have multiple global special interest groups within IPMA, of which the Smarter Cities, Smarter Rural, Smarter You, Mega Projects, Innovation and Change, Healthcare, as well as Artificial Intelligence is of vital importance in the spaces that we try to drive our special interest groups. From a Smarter Cities point of view, the reason why we're here, we strive to ensure and to make to create the opportunity to create more livable, more workable, and more sustainable cities, utilizing project, program, and portfolio management to achieve our goal. It's a great pleasure for me to welcome today at this webinar, talking to us about the digital technologies that enable smarter cities by both Krisztian Hegedus as well as Ken Soh. I would like to quickly share with you just a bio of our speakers for today. Krisztian leads the Autodesk Worldwide AEC Alliance and industry development efforts. He drives strategic industry partnerships and engagements with key customers towards digital transformation with BIM and cloud. Krisztian is a structural engineer and has worked on many international projects for the past 17 years at Autodesk, driving global business growth and accelerating customer satisfaction. On the other hand, we've got Ken Soh. He is the senior engagement leader. He is driving Autodesk ASEAN business development activities. Ken is passionate about leveraging on BIM, GIS, cloud, and emerging technologies to digital transformation and to digital transform the building and civil infrastructure industries. In his previous role with the Singapore government, he served as a technical architect for Virtual Singapore and drove the establishment for the national 3D standards. Educated in the National University of Singapore, Ken has a Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Engineering. Krisztian, Ken, very excited. Thank you for availing yourself and provide the time to learn from you. We're all excited, and please, you can continue. You can share your screen and then you can continue. Thank you very much.
So Ben, thank you very much to invite. I have to click again the screen sharing. Sorry for that. And please let me know if I share the right screen and if you see it well.
Yes, we can see it. Thank you very much.
So Ben, again, as I told, thank you very much inviting us to your special interest group. So it's really a pleasure being here. And good morning, good afternoon, everybody, where you are and what time zone you have at this moment. As Ben told, my name is Krisztian Hegedus, and I'm really excited to be here with you today. I'm representing Autodesk and actually all the great work our customers are leveraging. So as Ben already explained, working 17 years for Autodesk, and actually I'm based in Munich, and today we have a very beautiful sunny day here. I hope you have similar at your locations. As you can imagine, I was working with small and large customers across the globe. I am responsible for US, Europe, Middle East, and APAC as well. And most recently, I'm leading our alliance partnership and industry development efforts. So I work with our alliance partners, Esri, Schneider, Space IQ, and manage the introduction of our emerging and new products. And today I have Ken Soh with me from Singapore. Ken, maybe you could tell a few words about you as well?
Hey, hi. So I am Ken here. I'm based out in Singapore. So I've been working with Christians to help advance some of these smarter cities initiative here in the region. And I'll be happy and honored to be invited to speak at this event, and hope that I could share some of my insights with the team.
Thank you, Ken. So as you see, we've really teamed up globally to share the insights, and you will see a couple of examples across the globe. Actually, we would like to share our vision for smarter cities and to show you what best practices we have seen and how digital technologies enable this vision already today across the globe. But let's take a look how it started. So if we take a really quick look back to the smart cities journey, already in 2015, the United Nations set an ambitious 15 years plan to address actually some of the most pressing issues faced by the world. And goal 11 on the screen, you see that it was the global development on this global development agenda was the sustainable cities and communities. So actually the goal was to making cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable, just as Ben introduced at the beginning. And actually right after this UN plan, already in 2018, the International Organization for Standardization published the ISO 37106 standard, which was recently replaced